Today, the five-man bench of the Supreme Court unanimously declared that I have standing in my Section 18 application to be declared the leader of the opposition. The Supreme Court found that I have sufficient interest as the member for Chwave, and my rights are directly affected by this case. The matter is not hypothetical or academic, and it has real legal consequences. And that I am not merely a busybody raising vexatious or trivial issues. I take this time to thank my lawyer, Paul Mauer of Mauer Lawyers, for his brilliant litigation. Standing was a threshold issue that was successfully achieved today, and this will lead to constitutional enforcement. Now, the next step is to get a substantive hearing at the earliest. This is something that my lawyers will expedite because there is so much at stake, starting with the remarkable admissions by the Prime Minister that 56 billion kina has been spent by his government with no results. Budget failure leading to socio-economic regression, the IMF's encroachment on our financial system, dictating both our fiscal and monetary policy. National sovereignty is at stake, and the imminent grey listing, etc., etc., etc. The leader of the opposition cannot be deaf and dumb. We must have the credibility and competence to provide a clear alternative to the deplorable policy failures of the Marape government. The country needs an effective leader of the opposition to be the tip of the spear, to hold the Prime Minister and the executive government to account. That remains our number one agenda. On behalf of the people of Chwave and Simbu, we give our total commitment to fight for a better Papua New Guinea. Kantri, yumi. KBY.